this is Connor Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making homemade honey barbecue sauce.
This barbecue sauce is a little bit spicy, and if you want it even spicier you can add jalapenos or habanero, but we just stuck to the basics.
If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe, and also click the notification bell so you can be notified every time we upload a new video.
Okay, let's get started.
So you need a medium to large cooker, and we want to put 6 ounces of tomato paste, just one little can. I'm going to mix all this together. Need a 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of molasses, 1 cup of water, 1/2 a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce. I never know how to say that. Okay, 1/2 a teaspoon of liquid smoke. Or, I'm sorry, 1/8 teaspoon. Okay, and then we've got our spices already together here, which is a teaspoon of crushed red pepper, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1/2 a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 a teaspoon chili powder, 1/2 a teaspoon diced minced onion, 1/2 a teaspoon of parsley, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, or in our case we're going to use fresh because we're out of powder. We're going to mix this all together. Pour it in. We're going to bring it to a boil. Okay, it's starting to boil, so we're going to turn it down and simmer it for an hour. Okay, so we've simmered it an hour. Now I'm ready to add the white vinegar. 1/3 cup of white vinegar. It smells good. Okay, there's your homemade barbecue sauce.
Okay guys, we're back and our barbecue sauce is done. It turned out great. It was really easy.
We've got some chicken and pork chops we're going to try it with. Pretty good.
Yeah, that is good.
This would be really good with some coleslaw. That's probably what we'll make for our next video, so stay tuned.
Okay, so thank you for watching our barbecue sauce video. Make sure to stay tuned for more upcoming recipes. And if you make this, let us know in the comments how it turned out. We like to hear when you make our stuff. And we will see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.